Across millions of acres, soil is no longer responding. Years of chemical dependency and environmental stress have left soils biologically exhausted. In many farms, nutrients are present, yet uptake fails due to soil stress, imbalance, and fatigue. Nutrients may exist, but biology is broken. What if soil needed recovery, not more inputs? Soil failure is often not a nutrient problem, it is a stress problem. Ecovetz is a soil revival system designed to restore soil responsiveness and root zone stability. Field observations show improved plant response, reduced stress indicators, and better utilization of existing nutrients, even in saline and exhausted soils. Ecovetz does not replace fertilizers, does not neutralize soil chemically, and does not rely on aggressive microbial claims. The system is currently under controlled validation to scientifically characterize its impact on stressed soils. Restore soil first. Growth follows.